Hema Dinesh is saying preparation part is important for right decision, finding stage of the market, direction, opposite action or balance and continuation reversal. Yes, you have to prepare, but then again, don't go into analysis paralysis mode. Trying to figure out the markets and trying to predict the markets, there is a very thin line. I mean, there is a huge valley in between, but in the minds of traders, it's a very thin line. You never know when you shift to the other side. So guard yourself against that. You can analyze how much you want, but if you are trying to predict what is going to happen, all that analysis is useless, actually counterproductive. So instead, have a process and follow it. Have a playbook and follow it. I'm not saying have a pattern and follow it. Try to understand the trader behavior. What does a playbook do different from repeating price action or any other patterns? Is it's not trying to spot the pattern on the chart. It is trying to spot the trader behavior on the chart, which is depicted through patterns. So do that, and mostly whatever you have said is exactly on point, but just guard yourself against not going to the other side, trying to predict the markets. Try to understand the markets, focus on the risk, and you'll be good.